Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video we are no longer in Australia, but we are going to travel from Australia to Mexico. Yes, and there we are also exploring the nature and its animals, the food and drinks and everything you can think of Mexico. Before we start exploring this beautiful country, please subscribe to our channel, click on the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. While the koalas are a symbol for Australia, the donkey definitely is for Mexico, and until today it still is. So here's what you need to create these little bookmarks. Since it is for my bullet journal, it doesn't have to be for yours, I use scribbles that matter. And then of course our stay-at-home sheet I used last month for Australia. I'll leave a link below so you can find it in our Sunset Scrapper Club. Then a glue stick, a ruler, a piece of white paper we need for the corners, a pencil, a scissor, black washi tape or whatever washi tape you prefer. Once you've gathered all the materials, let's get started. I start by creating the white corners out of the white piece of paper I have, and I measure the corners here in my bullet journal, and I believe it's 4 by 4. You can change that, and I put it on the corner here, and then I cut it out, and I do two because I need two. I need one for the front and one for the back. And once I have cut them, I put them together, and then I add some washi tape on them. So when I put them together, I can easily put it on the corners of my bullet journal. You don't have to use it for a bullet journal, of course. You can also use it for whatever kind of journal or a blog or a piece of paper or whatever you can think of, or your books in general when you're reading them. So it doesn't have to be a bullet journal, of course. And just make sure you cover all the white here, and the good thing is that you also glue it together, and that makes life a lot easier. So just put the washi tape over it. You don't have to use black washi tape. You can of course also use colorful washi tape, whatever you prefer. I just wanted something neutral in the background, just because the monkey and the koala are also a little bit colorful, that's why. But if you want it different, you can of course do that. And yeah, you just make sure the washi tape really sticks to the corners, otherwise you won't get a bookmark actually. I start with the donkey here and cut it out first, and then I go around and leave a white frame here around it, so it looks a little bit like a sticker. So once you cut out the monkey, let's put a little bit of glue on the corner or on the monkey here, and then put it onto the corner, and your little bookmark is ready. It looks really fun when you put it on the corner, and how it looks out of the book. So when you close it, you see it looks really nice. So, and now I go ahead and do the whole thing once again. I want to have the little koala as well, because last month we've been to Australia and this month we are in Mexico, and we wanted to use some really typical stuff for Mexico, and I still cannot really let Australia go because it's such a beautiful country. I now decided to use the dotted washi tape. I really think it looks nice as well. You can of course use the same ones again, it doesn't matter. It's totally up to you. Just make sure once again you cover it correctly here, and then you put on the koala bear. Yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, please don't forget to come back for the next one. Until then, bye.